In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop and autoplay your Google Slides presentation. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let's get started. First, open your Google Slides presentation. Now, go to the File menu, hover over Share, and then select Publish to the Web. When the settings open, you'll see a few options. Here, you can choose how long each slide will stay on the screen before moving to the next one. By default, it's set to 3 seconds. I'll leave mine at 3 seconds, but you can adjust it if you'd like. Next, you'll see 2 checkboxes. If you want your slideshow to start playing automatically as soon as it loads, check the option Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. And if you want the slideshow to loop, make sure you select Restart the slideshow after the last slide. Once you've set your preferences, click Publish. A pop-up will ask if you're sure. Just click OK. Now, a link will appear. Copy this link and paste it into a new tab in your browser, or share it with others by email or chat. When you open the link, your Google Slides presentation will automatically start playing, and once it reaches the last slide, it will loop back to the beginning. You can also control playback directly from your browser by clicking on the 3-dot menu and selecting Autoplay. Here, you'll see the same settings you applied earlier, which lets viewers control their own experience. And that's how you can loop and autoplay your Google Slides presentation quickly and easily. I hope this video helped. If it did, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.